graduation day. I'm so proud of all of you, and I am so happy that we finally come to this moment. It has been a whirlwind of a year, and although we're not able to spend this day together in person, I'm so excited that we're able to do this virtually. How cool is it that your graduation gets to be virtual? Unlike any other graduation, I hope you feel special. And I'm wearing my batik today in honor of all of you. It has been a wonderful year, K3. All of you have such good hearts, and it's been such an honor for me to be able to be with you every day, teaching you English. Not only did I get to be with you during English time, sometimes I got to be with you during snack and during lunchtime, and those are some of my favorite times because I got to know who you are and what you love and what you do and who your family is. K3, I'm gonna miss so much teaching you English next year, but there's good news. Next year, you're going to be in grade 1. And in grade 1, I get to teach you music, which I'm so looking forward to. So it's not so much of a goodbye as it is welcome. Let's continue on. I love you all, and I want to encourage you with this verse. Whenever you're feeling shaky or nervous or not sure of what to do, go to this verse. In my life, it has helped me a lot. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your paths. Proverbs 3:5-6. Love and blessings to you and your family, and congratulations! I'm so proud of you. You are graduating from K3. Well done.
大家你好，今天老师非常高兴可以看到你们都毕业了，老师也非常感谢神，可以在这一段时间认识你们，可以跟你们一起学习和看到你们长大，这都是一件美好的回忆。老师希望明年你们还是要更上加油，因为你们已经成为一个小学生了，好吗？好，谢谢大家，再见，老师爱你们。
Hello K3, I'm happy that this day is finally here. On this special day, I want to congratulate you for completing your kindergarten years. I'm grateful to be your teacher this year. You are dear to my heart, and I really enjoy the time that we spend together, whether it's learning in classroom or just our interaction in the playground or in the soccer field. Some are happy days, fun and exciting days, while some are tough or maybe grumpy days. I am really proud to see how much you have grown, whether we're in class or throughout the home learning. Seeing you grow brings joy to my heart. Some of you are calm and quiet. Some of you are active and lively. Each one of you are different and unique. God has made you unique, and He has a special purpose for each one of you. So keep on growing, keep on learning, and find out what that special purpose that God has for you. I want to leave you with this Bible verse that has encouraged me, and I hope it will encourage you too. It is taken from Ephesians 2 verse 10. It says, "For we are God's handiwork, created in Christ Jesus to do good works, which God prepared in advance for us to do." I will miss you, but I'm really excited that you will get to be first graders. You'll have your uniform. Yay! So long, K3.
Hi K3, happy graduation and congratulations. Know that I am very proud of you now that you are moving up to the next level, which is grade 1. We've been through a lot of learning, exploring, playing, crying, and laughing, and I will miss playing Gomigo free, freeze tag. I will also miss doing experiments with you and doing PE with you. Always remember to do your best in everything, and always remember that Jesus is with you to help you succeed in everything. I will still see you around, so don't miss me so much, okay? I will still visit your class in grade 1. So for the last time, here's a sticker for you. Because you are a role model for the kindy class. And keep on being a role model to everyone. Okay? God bless you. Congratulations once again. I love you all.
My name is Abigail. When I grow up, I want to be a dentist. My special goal is when things are hard, never give up.
Hi, I am Bastian. My favorite memory in K3 class are playing together with all my friends and learn dancing with all my friends, and also PE lessons with Mr. Jason. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go.
My favorite memory in K3 was on the field trip because I went together with my friends and teachers. I also saw many types of insects. My favorite insect was butterfly and dragonfly. My special quote is to accomplish great things we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe.
When I grow up, I want to be a policeman. Do your best. Let God do the rest. Thank you, all teacher.
I am going to be an engineer and I will make an elevator and speakers inside the elevator. My favorite memory in K3 class is I play with my friends. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter. Do your best and the best you can be. Hi everyone, I'm Jeffrey. I'm very happy in K3. I have a lot of friends. We have a lot of fun in the class. Hopefully, we still can be in one class again in grade 1. My teachers are very nice too. They teach me everything. Also sad when Corona strikes because I cannot go to school and meet my friends and teachers. I can't wait to go back to school again. I love you, friends and teachers. Thank you for everything. Keep smiling because life is sweet.
My favorite memories from school is when I go to playground and play with Tiffany, Katie, and Abigail. When I grow up, I want to be a food taster because I like food.
My favorite quote is, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, I'm gonna tell you what is my favorite memory verse of in my class K3. This is my memory. When I go to a new school, I was happy to meet new friends and teachers, and I really like the school. And the second one, when I grow up, I want to be a policeman. And my secret code is be nice, be kind, nothing is impossible.
Favorite time in K3, playing with my friends, gummy Goffy. When I grow up, I want to be princess. Always remember, live happy. Hello teachers and friends, my name is Kenzo. I miss you all so much. I really like playing one with my friends at school. In the future, I want to be a businessman. Wish me a good luck. Let us remember one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
What is your favorite memory in your K3 class?
Math and English. And I also love to play with my best friend Raven.
Oh, and then what do you want to be when you grow up?
A doctor like Mama.
Like Mama? Why?
I want to save people.
You want to save people.
To be a firefighter? This hose. I want to be a police.
Police?
Yeah, because police is good. Because police catch bad guys.
That guy.
Boy, see you later. I like library time because it's fun. I like to play in the playground time. Or I like PE. I like PE because it's fun. My favorite quote is believe in yourself and dream big. Bye. Oh. Play swing with Natalie. I love it. Swing. Play scooter with Natalie and Avon by balancing, but we fall. It's not hurt. It's just like in the grass or something. After that, I also love to play tag with Natalie, but only 2 people. But it's okay. I like my teacher because they teach us how to learn, and they teach us how to spelling test too, and they even how to help us to learn math. God and love one another, forgiving, love for everyone. My favorite memory of K3 is playing badminton with Mr. Jason and watching badminton too. I'm not afraid of death, but I don't want to be there when it happens. When I grow up, I want to become a designer because I want to make beautiful things. When you have a dream, grab it and never let it go. Hi everyone! Today I have a special gift for you. It's my doggy. See, is it cute? And when I grow up, I want to be a baker. When you dream to be a baker, you will do it. And also I like to bake a cake for my mom, and I hope I can do everything to make a cake. I can do everything. Bye!
To be when you grow up?
A baker with my friends.
And what do you like the most in K3?
My teachers, friends, wisdom all. The memory of K3, I like Christmas Day, and when I grow up, I want to be a chef because I like cooking. Bye bye. My memory of my school is the playground and the playing center. If the playground is much funner to play with friends. You know, Mr. Jason, because it's too fun if you play over there. It's so much fun if you in the school. But I miss you, Mr. Jason, and Miss Lily, and Miss Jessie. Bye bye.